Off we go. Alright guys, so we have got the tractor on. Here's the front tire, here's the rear tire. Now it's a little snug right here, but it works just fine. Now we do have the chain back here tight, and here's the counterweight for the tractor. And now it is an old John Deere, which you know that's quality. Now we have a binder right here, and so yeah, this is what we got. We're gonna tow her down the road and it's gonna be fun. This is a really cool old tractor. Now it's a gasoline and it starts and runs well. So no leaks on the hydraulics, just a durable old tractor. And we did hook a chain in the front. Now I don't know, is there a better way to handle this, guys? If you think there is, maybe comment, let me know, because I don't know nothing about tractors. I don't know nothing about nothing, so I need help sometimes. Now if you guys notice, we've got these giant wheels. Now all of the wheels have all of the lug nuts, bolts holding the wheels on. They are holding the wheels on. Now if you see, all of them are here as well. And if you keep looking, man, we found one here, one there, and one under, and one is missing right here. So we will probably be putting one on there eventually, but for now we are just gonna take the tractor back to the farm.